Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I'm going to show you, I participated in 2 separate swaps and wanted to go ahead and show you. You guys have seen these cards, these are mine, and then look at all these other great cards. Well, you can't see them, but I'm going to show them to you. So let's get started. First of all, the person who coordinated the swap, her name is Barbara, and this is the thank you card. Well, it's not a thank you, it's a sending prayers, but it has a little note just saying thanks for participating in the swap. And look at how cute. Isn't that a super cute card? All right, so I got that. And this one, again, you've seen this one if you've watched my channel at all. And this is really cute, I thought. And let me show you what I swapped. So the way the swap works is I made 14 of these exact same cards, and then I ended up getting 14 different cards back, one of which are mine. So let's go ahead and, well, let me see. Hopefully I can tell you who made these. Isn't that a cute card with that sunflower? This is a nice card by, her name is Patty. And then this one, I love that You Are My Sunshine with that magenta. What's the name of it? Magenta Madness. And this one was from Brittany. We've got this one from Carla. Again, there's that sunflower. Look at those colors together. So pretty. That looks like that's the new Misty Moonlight. And then that could be the bumblebee. Super pretty. We've got this one here by Debbie. How cute is that? That's all that Playful Pets designer series paper. It's just the little details sometimes. Those little hearts, super cute. The little gem. Oh, this was one of my favorites. This was done by Becky. I just love that. Super pretty. This one is from Rhonda. Really nice. Oh, I think it goes this way. That's, it looks like it's a nice fun fold there. Loving it. And when we swapped, they want us to swap in these bags, so that's why you have a different angle, because I didn't want to have you guys all glaring like that. So this is a nice one, again with that Misty Moonlight and the Cinnamon Cider. Those work so well together. And I don't have a name on that one. This one is from Darla. Look at that. That again is some designer series paper. Super pretty. Oh, here's another one. This one's from Mary. It's got that beautiful, I don't remember the name of it. It's that fern. I wish I could remember the name of it. One of you demonstrators will tell me what the name was. And this is from Heather. And I don't know. I'm going to have to relook at that catalog because I don't remember seeing like the Bible and these hands there. That would be great for my Bible journaling. Very pretty. Love that card. This one is from Melanie. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. That is definitely a fancy fold. I'm going to have to open these up for sure. And then this one is from Robin. Look at that beautiful little frame there. And I love that old world embossing folder. It just makes it look like old paper. It looks so good. All right, that was the first one. Now this is the second one. Oh, let's see. Again, this one's mine. And I've made this card as well. There's a video on it. So I traded 14 of these for the cards that you're about to see. Here we go. Let's see who made this one. This one was from Lisa. That one has that new punch there, the one that you can make as long or as short as you want. This one says, thanks a ton. Oh, and I can see, I don't know if you could see because of the paper on there, but there's definitely some Wink of Stella, and that was done by Anne Marie. This one was done by my friend Linda. Look at that. Super cute with a little daisy. You guys, I lost my little daisy punch. I cannot find it. I'm so bummed. I love this card, and this one was by Sandy. It's so beautiful and so simple. It's just the one stamp plus this stamp here. And look at how pretty that is. The texture just really does it so well. This one is from Kirsten. Again, we've got those sunflowers. They're so pretty and so beautiful. And she decided to leave in the little bits here. So look at that. It's a nice just because stamped right on the designer series paper. This is from Barb, and that one says Wildly Grateful. Love the ribbon. Look at that ribbon. It's a very pretty gingham ribbon. We've got some more playful pets. This one is from Mary again. Those little hearts. It's just so cute. And then the words here. It says jump, love, meow, purr. So cute. We've got this one from Tracy. That's a beautiful comfort and hope card. Using the reversible ribbon there. The stitched rectangles. You guys, we have so many products that make such beautiful cards. This is my friend Jenny, and she is always so talented. She made these little zebra stripes here. Again, using that old world paper with the little zany zebras. Super cute with the magenta madness and some black. Great little girl's birthday card, right? Another You Are My Sunshine here. This one's from Debbie. Just that stamp is so gorgeous. And then using the bumblebee and the misty moonlight. This one is from Melissa. Love this. Adorable. And then the final card is from Dana. And it's using the Ornate Garden. We've got the designer series paper. We've got the sprig punches there. We've got some great little embossing folder. And then this says, let your faith be bigger than your fear. So, love this. How much fun was this? I made 28 cards and got 28 cards back. So, look at all these cards. Oh, just so many. All right. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Give these people a big thumbs up for making such beautiful cards. And thank you guys for joining me. As always, if you want to purchase anything from any of these cards and you don't have your own demonstrator, you can visit. Oh, let me move this up. There we go. We got jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. Here's my code for July. And then if you want to take part in the online bingo class, just sign up to be a Paper Pumpkin demonstrator or a paper Pumpkin subscriber. You can also just purchase a $50 minimum order in July using this host code. Or you can join my team, the Stamping Beauties, become a independent demonstrator, and you too are invited to all of my classes. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, thank you to everybody who participated in the swap. It was so much fun looking through all these cards. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.